Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. In the heart of Makkah, where oppression was rampant, lived Bilal ibn Rabah, R.A., a man of outstanding patience and faith. Born into slavery, Bilal, R.A., endured harsh conditions under a merciless master who sought to break his spirit and force him to abandon his nascent faith in Islam. Yet despite suffering, Bilal's, R.A., heart remained firm. His only conviction was in Allah, and his repeated chant of Ahad, Ahad, One, One, bore witness to his unwavering belief in the oneness of Allah. His plight caught the compassionate eye of Abu Bakr, R.A., who purchased his freedom. This transformation from a slave to a free man was a triumph of faith over cruelty, the first act of many that would set Bilal, R.A., on a path to honor. Bilal, R.A., soon earned a special place in the hearts of the early Muslims and became the first muazzin, the caller to prayer, chosen by the Prophet Muhammad himself. He held the position with great pride, his voice resonating across the city, calling the faithful to prayer and reminding them of the timeless message of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad once revealed to Bilal, R.A., that he had heard the sound of his footsteps ahead of him in paradise. Perplexed, Bilal, R.A., sought the reason behind such an honor. The Prophet explained it was due to Bilal's, R.A., regular and consistent acts of worship, particularly his habit of performing extra prayers after performing ablutions during the day or night. This revelation transformed Bilal, R.A.'s life into a tale of triumph and honor, demonstrating that sincerity in small deeds, done solely for the pleasure of Allah, carries immense weight on the scales of paradise. Let his journey remind us that each step in the path of good can lead to great rewards. Moral: sincerity in small deeds leads to great reward. What you do quietly for Allah could echo loudly in the hereafter. Actionable plans. 1. Pray 2 rak'ahs after every wudu, like Bilal, R.A. Make it a habit of love and devotion. 2. Be consistent in your good deeds, even if they seem small. Allah sees them all. 3. Focus on sincerity, not recognition. What you do for Allah alone brings eternal honor. 4. Remember your trials don't define your end, your faith does. Rise above hardship like Bilal, R.A. 5. Stay firm on Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, no matter the pressure, just like Bilal did with Ahad. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.